In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily calculate the end date of a contract based on the information in your contract and with the use of a calculator. And I'll give you some tips on what to watch out for in the contract clauses, especially around the renewal date. So we have this contract in front of us. It is a test contract from Contracko, and we have an effective date of February 14, 2025. It has a running period of 12 months. So when we go to this contract end date calculator that we build at Contracko, you can put that date in here with the date picker. So February 14th, 2025, we can select that and we can put the contract duration in here. And then you'll see the end date, which is February 13, 2026. That contract basically expired already. You might have missed that. The question also is like, hey, when can I stop this contract? And for that, we have to look into the contract itself, find this paragraph here, and then we can see that there is a 60-day period before the end of the current term. So that's interesting. Like, this contract is actually already renewed according to the contract itself, but we could now say that this contract is now running for 24 months. So let's change that. So February 13th, 2027, we know this contract will end, but we also have a 30-day period to basically end that contract if we don't want to renew. So be aware of that somewhere in February, and you can also calculate that in months here. So let's put it in 2022 months. December 13, 2026, if you don't, like, that's the end date if you don't want to continue with this contract. So this contract end date calculator is of course useful for calculating an end date, but you can also use it to calculate renewal. You can calculate when you have to make sure you end the contract and do that with a written notice or whatever conditions are needed in the contract. So we'll put the link for this calculator in the description of this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Contracko.